If you want to do a full face of makeup but you don't have the time, try the single layer method. With the single layer makeup application, you're applying your contour, concealer, and foundation all at the same time, which cuts out a lot of steps, thus saving you time. I start by applying my contour in all the usual places, but I don't blend it in yet. Now I go in with my concealer and apply that. And now it's time for the foundation. And because I'm gonna blend it all together or at the same time, I won't need to use as much foundation, which is another bonus to this makeup application. Less product. And we know less is more, especially on mature skin. And then I start blending, starting with the concealer first, then the foundation, and then the darkest color, the contour. And here's the one layer makeup look before I apply the rest of my makeup. This cuts the process down by at least half. This took me maybe 15 minutes.